Hi, good evening and namaste. Sunday live session 9 p.m. You're with me, Smriti Kalra. Thank you so very much for being here with me this Sunday. हर रोज हमारी डिक्शनरी में यानी शब्दकोश में नए नए शब्द ऐड होते जा रहे हैं. जो लेटेस्ट शब्द जो ऐड हुआ है हमारी डिक्शनरी में वो है इंस्टाग्रामेबल. इंस्टाग्रामेबल का मतलब है ऐसी पिक्चर्स जो विजुअली बहुत सुंदर लगे, जो इंस्टाग्राम जो हमारा सोशल मीडिया है जिसपे आप और मैं हूं और आप मुझे हेलो कह रहे हो, हाय हैं, उस पे पोस्ट कर सके. सो वी बोथ आर ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. भले ही हमारे पास लैपटॉप हो ना हो, भले ही हमारे पास गाड़ी हो ना हो, भले ही हमारे पास साइकिल हो ना हो, बट हम सबके पास आजकल एक फोन है ना. और हम सबको क्या अच्छा लगता है, फोटो खींचना. एंड practically everyone, hi everyone is on Instagram. तो हम कैसे सुंदर फोटोज खींचे नेचुरल लाइट को यूज करके, यही हमारा आज का टॉपिक है कि अपने फोन से स्पेसिफिकली हम कितनी अच्छी पिक्चर्स खींच सकते हैं हाय यूजिंग नेचुरल लाइट. नेचुरल लाइट मतलब सन. क्या नेचुरल लाइट मतलब सन है, सन की लाइट या कुछ और है? कैसे हम नेचुरल लाइट को यूज कर सकते हैं अपने फोन से फोटोज खींचने में? क्या हमारी फोन की सेटिंग होनी चाहिए, क्या मेकअप होना चाहिए, क्या कपड़े पहनने चाहिए, कौन से ऐसे बाहर आउटडोर ऐसे स्पॉट्स हैं जहां पे जब आप बाहर हैं, नेचुरल लाइट है, आपकी फोटोज अच्छी आएंगी. आपकी फोन की सेटिंग में ब्राइटनेस कितनी होनी चाहिए, कॉन्ट्रास्ट होना चाहिए, ये सब चीजें आपकी फोटोज को एकदम अव्वल नंबर की बना देती हैं. और यही जानने के लिए आज हमारे पास जो हमारे गेस्ट हैं, हाय है आयुष दास. ही इज अ वंडरफुल फोटोग्राफर. बहुत सारे टेलीविजन एक्टर्स की वो फोटोज खींचते हैं. नाउ ही इज एम्बार्किंग इनटू द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री. उन्होंने आपके और मेरी तरह खूब सारी पढ़ाई करी एंड बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन पढ़ा, बट उनको फोटोग्राफी में रुचि थी तो उन्होंने फोटोग्राफी की पढ़ाई करी. फिर उनको पहला प्रोजेक्ट मिला एज अ सिनेमेटोग्राफर विद यूनाइटेड नेशंस जिसमें शाहरुख खान थे. वो उनका पहला प्रोजेक्ट था. उन्होंने वो प्रोजेक्ट किया और उसके बाद देयर हैज बीन नो लुकिंग बैक. सो आयुष की सबसे पहले मैंने पिक्चर्स देखी थी दिल संभल जा जरा जो शो था उस, तो मैंने उनकी फोटोज देखी जो आयुष ने खींची थी. एंड दैट इज हाउ आई गॉट टू नो ऑफ हिज वर्क. फिर नकुल की फोटोज देखी, जानकी की फोटोज देखी, एंड अभी मैं आयुष को देख रही हूँ. हाय आयुष, गुड.
Hi, how are you, Smriti?
आई एम गुड. हाउ आर यू? हाउस लाइफ?
Uh, Good. Life's good. Today has been a little lazy, and I just did a nice workout session, had a shower, and then here I am with you.
So all you're bright and chirpy and active and super energetic.
Yep.
Yeah, we need all your energy today because Sunday live session में आज जो टॉपिक है कि नेचुरल लाइट को हम कैसे इस्तेमाल करें टू क्लिक वंडरफुल पिक्चर्स. बहुत सारे सवाल हैं, but before starting, thank you so very much Ayush for taking out your time on a Sunday evening to be with us.
Thank you. I think this is the best use of my Sunday. This is the best productive thing that I've done today.
How lovely.
Thanks for having me.
Ayush, so मुझे आपके बारे में थोड़ा बहुत पता है, मैंने थोड़ा बहुत अभी सबको बताया भी, but we would like to and love to know more about you before we start the topic.
So, you'd like to know more about me and the topic, or me first?
First, who is Ayush Das? A little bit about Ayush Das, and then we will quickly jump into the questions that we have.
So, I'm a photographer. I call myself a photographer, and I also do a bit of cinematography. I did my BBA, and then I did my diploma, 2-year diploma in cinematography from Whistling Woods, which is right here in Film City. Yeah. So after that, I've I've been freelancing, and I've done so many projects. I've done corporate projects. I've done music videos for some amazing singers whom you know very well, and a lot of television actors, and corporate projects as well. And I've done a bit of architectural projects as well. So I've done a lot of everything, but what I really enjoy doing, Smriti, is I mostly enjoy doing shooting a lot of editorial photos. And in editorial photos, natural light is my speciality. I love natural light. That is why I guess I'm here talking to you.
Yes. So Ayush, ki mere first Anandita, I was just mentioning that आपने अपना business administration पढ़ा, then you did your first project with United Nations, and then how you got into it, and नकुल की pictures, जानकी की pictures, and अनंदिता की मैंने पहली बार जो pictures देखी थी जो natural light में आपने खींची थी, that
And
is how
Cheshta
I
also.
Cheshta also messaged, so that is how I got to know of you, and we haven't collaborated, but I'm sure we would very 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 soon. So Ayush, yes, very rightly said so, that आज का जो topic है natural light photography, and इस पे we need a specialist to help us, guide us, and take us through. So I will leave and open the session and start with that. What is natural light photography?
So, Smriti, good question. So, natural light is anything, sunlight, anything coming, anything that's not artificial light, anything that doesn't basically consume electricity. So, natural light is your sunlight. And natural light can be of two types, okay? That is your direct light and then indirect light. Direct light is when you get, when you see the sunlight directly, it's falling on you. And then indirect light is when you're, say, like I'm in the room and if this was daytime, sunlight would, fall here and there, scatter everywhere, and then reflect onto me. So that's indirect light for natural light.
All right.
So that's what natural light is.
Alright, so natural light photography अगर आज हम बात करें तो जैसे आपने अभी mention किया, एक हम जो बाहर हैं, so let's break it into outdoor natural light photography and घर पे बैठ के जो हम natural light photography कर लेते हैं, जो हमारी window से आती है या पूरे कमरे में जो दोपहर के समय light होती है. So Ayush, a lot of questions had come about which camera to use and all of that, which I will be asking later on. But right now it's a very vast topic. तो सबके पास फोन, तो इट्स अ वेरी वास्ट टॉपिक. सो हमारे पास फोन है, तो अगर मैं ये फोन पकड़ती हूँ, मेरे पास एक फोन है और मुझे मेरी फोटो खींचनी है और मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे बहुत सारे लाइक्स चाहिए और मैं सोचती हूँ कि चलो आज मैं बाहर निकलती हूँ, तो मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन है कि मैं किस समय बाहर जाऊँ अच्छी फोटोज खींचने के लिए इन नेचुरल लाइट.
So, Smriti, a lot of people think that, when it's an overcast day, that is when you shouldn't go out. But actually, overcast day, when it's like about to rain right in the afternoon. But it's not raining. When it's overcast, that is the best time to take pictures. Because the clouds, they act as a diffusion. So that is the best time to click pictures. You also have the early morning hours and the just before sunset, which we call magic hour. So that is the best time to head out and take some Instagrammable photos.
So आजकल बॉम्बे में, मुंबई में बारिश का मौसम चल रहा है, जैसे आज भी ओवरकास्ट था कुछ समय के लिए, तो जब बारिश नहीं हो रही होती और होने वाली होती है, तब is the best time to click pictures. Is that what you just said?
In my opinion, yes, because I mean, what we see, Smriti, what we always try to avoid is, as a photographer, we always try to avoid harsh light. So for us, direct sunlight is also good depending on what kind of pictures we want. But but what we try to do is, what I as a photographer try to do is, I try to avoid harsh light. So when you have direct sunlight falling on you, it creates harsh shadows. So say the sun is right above me, and then it's falling here, so it'll create a shadow over here. So if it's an overcast day, the clouds are basically covering that, and you get a diffuse light, so you don't see the harsh shadows. So that is what I as a photographer look for.
All right, so basically जो clouds हैं वो filter की तरह act करते हैं because sunlight बहुत harsh होती है.
Yes, exactly.
तो जब आप कह रहे हो कि जब sunlight harsh होती है, इसका मतलब बहुत तेज सूरज की किरणें हैं. So क्या होता है, face flat लगता है क्या?
No, it looks very contrasty. So when you have harsh shadows, you can still shoot outside when you have amazing sunlight, because I do a lot of shoots right in the middle of at noon, at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. So because a lot of artists are available during that time. So or there are many other restrictions. Even the location. So what we do is, we just cover the artist, the model or the actor on top with diffusion, or just with a black cloth. and light,
हाँ जी.
reflect the direct light. So if this is me, the light is over there. I use that light, reflect it from sideways. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to avoid the harsh light coming from the top. I'm redirecting that light onto a reflector and reflecting it back onto me, who's the model.
All right. So हम इसको एक बार सिंप्लीफाई करके आयुष मैं आपसे फिर से पूछने वाली हूँ. So आपने कहा कि जो बेस्ट टाइम है जब आपको नेचुरल लाइट फोटोग्राफी करनी है, या तो आप सुबह कीजिए जब सन राइज हो रहा होता है, एंड शाम को जब सन सेट हो रहा होता है, विच इज द गोल्डन आवर और द मैजिक आवर. सो माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, क्या डिफरेंस होता है कि अगर मैं सुबह उठ के एक फोटो लेती हूँ और शाम को सनसेट के समय एक फोटो लेती हूँ, तो कुछ कलर डिफरेंस होता है बिकॉज ऑफ द सन का प्लेसमेंट एंड सनराइज. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू यू एज अ फोटोग्राफर, सनसेट में फोटो खींचना ज्यादा खूबसूरत है फॉर गर्ल्स, ज्यादा सुंदर लगेंगी, या सनराइज के समय?
So I think that's called the twilight light, if I'm not mistaken, and then you have the evening light, the magic hour, the golden hour. I would prefer the golden hour because I feel the sun has a beautiful yellowish orangish tint. Whereas in the morning, it's not as orangish. It's a little on the bluish side.
Yes,
it's a little on the bluish side. So if depending on the kind of look I am trying to photograph, trying to achieve, then I will go for a less intense early morning shoot, or a high intensity orangish evening light just before sunset, dusk.
I think so that yellow वाला जो light होता है, I have a yellow light right here, and जितना मैंने notice किया, a yellow light I think so works beautifully with skin tone. I think so that is the reason I'm
yes.
Golden hour, golden yellow color. That is the reason.
Right.
Maybe.
So you'll be familiar with a solar and a baby, right? Solar baby. So they're all tungsten lights. So they have that the yellowish tint. So that's that's color temperature.
Alia Bhatt. Ayush, have you seen Alia Bhatt का जब भी close-up लगता है films में? I think so उसकी lighting हमेशा बहुत ही yellowish and tungsten बहुत use होता है. Especially वो कौन सी film थी अर्जुन कपूर के साथ? मन मस्त I don't remember the name.
I have no idea.
Okay. So specifically, sorry.
But interesting. A lot of actors, what they do is they have their favorite cinematographers. They only work with certain cinematographers because they know that this is their light preference.
Yes.
So it's a fun fact.
Yeah. So Ayush, आप बहुत सारे टीवी एक्टर्स को क्लिक करते हो, शूट करते हो, वीडियोस बनाते हो. अभी आपने नकुल के साथ पैम्पर्स का किया है. I'm aware of that. So आपको सबसे ज्यादा कौन से एक्टर को क्लिक करने में मजा आता है, and which actor prefers natural light the most to be photographed?
So everyone that I've worked with, I think people know me because people work with me because I use a lot of natural light. Natural light is my favorite source of light. Artificial light is just, it's artificial. No disrespect to people who shoot in the studio. They make amazing photos. But I feel natural light has this liveliness to it. It's got this charm. So everyone that I work with prefers to, they're curious to know how I can use natural light, how I can modify natural light and make it work, make it my friend. All right. I would say Nakul and Janki. I've worked with Janki a lot, and Janki does shows.
Yes.
I've traveled with her to so many places, and in all the places, I've mostly used only natural light, even at night. Night, natural light. Raat ko matlab natural light is basically ambient light. I'm using ambient light. I don't have natural light, but I'm using ambient bulb light, which is here, there, in the hotel room.
जो ambience है आपका.
Yeah, your tube light. So all of this is ambient lighting right now.
हाँ जी.
So I use.
Sorry.
Yeah, so I use a lot of natural light and ambient light to shoot Janki. And to answer your question, I would say Janki and Nakul both, but Janki a little more.
Yeah, all right, all right, all right. She's so beautiful. As a photographer, if you get a good subject, तो आपको और मजा आता है क्लिक करने में.
Absolutely. There is also like you know that वो relationship होता है ना, which you build over several years. So
Absolutely.
when you know the other person, when you know the subject better,
हाँ जी.
you know which light they prefer, which angles they prefer.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, so when you've just spoken about angles, एक question जो बहुत सारे लोगों ने बार-बार पूछा है कि क्या face angle रखे, because we have a photographer with us, a professional photographer, and someone जो actors को बहुत click करते हैं. So a lot of people have asked कि क्या face angle हमको रखना चाहिए कि हमारी अच्छी photo आए.
There's no absolute answer, Smriti, for this. A lot of people will have their own angles.
So it depends from face to face, feature to
Yeah,
feature.
it depends. It actually depends from face to face. So ideally, like for me, if you ask me, if you have a rounder face, a chubbier face, then I'll use a top angle. So I've got my phone here. I'll just do a top angle kind of a shot. Okay.
हाँ जी, ताकि पतला लगे.
I won't take. Yeah, I won't take. I'll avoid taking shots like this. Like this.
हाँ जी.
I would rather take a shot like that. But you have a longer face, then less chubbier face, then I guess you're more flexible in terms of angles. But nowadays, Swati, a lot of people, I see a lot of Instagrammers, they've got their angles, they know their this thing, but then they're not restricted by all these angles. They love to take daring shots. So whether it's a low angle shot or a top angle shot, it doesn't really matter to them. But if you have to stick to one safe angle, I would say the top angle where, it's like this.
All right. All right. So, Ayush, you're telling us a lot of tips about how to take photographs apni and so much. So you have your workshops going on, which I'll be asking about for all those photography enthusiasts जिनको सीखनी है photography. Since आज का हमारा topic is very, we're going to try keeping like this कि natural light photography मोबाइल से कैसे करते हैं, because it's a vast. So sorry, मुझे कॉल आ रहा है. So अभी आपने mention किया कि सुबह का टाइम या शाम जब सन सेट हो रहा होता है, दैट इज द गोल्डन आवर, जब ऑरेंजिश लाइट होती है. इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट टाइम टू गेट क्लिक. एंड यू आल्सो सेड कि आप बहुत सारे फोटोशूट्स करते हो ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम, जब लोग कहते हैं कि बहुत हार्श लाइट होती है. एंड यू मेंशन्ड कि यू हैव अ रिफ्लेक्टर एंड देयर इज अ एंगल एंड आप लाइट को डिफ्लेक्ट करते हो. अगर मैं इसको बहुत ही सरल भाषा में समझना चाहूँ कि मुझे नहीं पता कि रिफ्लेक्टर क्या होता है, मान लीजिए कि मैं 12 बजे उठी, जब कहा जाता है कि सूरज एकदम इधर होता है, शैडो छोटी सी होती है, तो वो सब भी छोड़ दीजिए. दिन में जब बिल्कुल तड़कती भड़कती धूप है, यू इन कोलकाता राइट नाउ, राइट?
No, I'm in Bombay.
अच्छा, यू इन मुंबई. अच्छा.
Yes.
ओके. सो दोपहर के टाइम जब बहुत गर्मी होती है और अब मैं अपना फोन लिया और मैंने बोला कि आज तो मुझे बहुत अच्छी फोटोज क्लिक करनी है और शाम तक पोस्ट करनी है, तो पर बहुत धूप आ रही है और मैं ऐसे ऐसे करके फोटो खींचने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. तो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है कि मैं अपने फोन की क्या सेटिंग करूँ आयुष की नेचुरल लाइट में, जो मेरी फोन की सेटिंग हो वो क्या होती है परफेक्ट?
Firstly, the best thing is wear your shades and take a photo. you don't have to squint your eye. But when it comes to camera settings, so a lot of cameras have the pro mode. Okay. So when I do cell phone photography, I like to go the manual mode way. So I don't let the camera decide the exposure, ISO, and all of that. A lot of the modern cameras also have exposure control and night photography also, so that you can decrease the shutter, so you can keep the camera sensor open for 2 seconds, so that you can
what is a shutter? अभी हम कैमरा के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. we're not talking about the mobile का setting camera, we're talking about the camera. So first, since you started the topic, मान लीजिए मेरे पास बहुत ही बेसिक एक कैमरा है, Now just make us understand what is shutter, what is depth field, what is aperture, everything, since now you started it, whatever little that you can.
So shutter is basically, see, I don't know if this is relevant right now because you have
Yes,
mirrorless
actually,
cameras also.
yeah, actually,
Mirrorless
right now,
cameras also. But if
yes,
you do have, I think a lot of people will have shutter like DSLR cameras. So
Anji.
I don't know if you should get into that area because
I
aperture
think
and
so. We
all of
should
that will
not.
be,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. We should just stick to.
So let's stick to cell phone settings. Cell phone
Yes,
settings.
yes.
So you know when you in Android you can actually swipe up on the camera and then you have the pro settings. Okay.
अच्छा जी.
So there'll be something called shutter. Shutter is let's not get into the depths of what a shutter is and aperture is. It's basically you play around with the exposure, how much light goes into the camera sensor of your phone. So you have ISO. There are three things that determine your exposure on a cell phone. Okay.
अच्छा.
One is your ISO. ISO is the noise. मतलब अगर बहुत it's dark. So you need to increase the ISO so that what digital the phone digitally it increases the brightness. That's what
अच्छा.
ISO is. Okay.
I see.
That's in DSLRs also, but we are limiting our conversation to cell phones only. So you can increase the ISO if it's dark, but remember with digital noise and it'll become very grainy. Okay, so our idea is to keep
जब
the
dark
ISO.
होता है तो grainy होता है. Yes.
Yes. So when you
Yes.
shoot auto, basically what your camera sensor does is it realizes that it's dark, so it automatically increases the ISO. That's
I
why
see.
our photos end up very grainy. So
Anji.
now, if you are being lit by one beautiful light source at night,
Anji.
and you don't want it to be bright,
Anji.
so then just set the ISO to about 200, 300 or 400. That
Acha.
should be ideal so that you don't have too much noise. And then
Acha.
set the shutter speed to an ideal number. You'll have to play around with that. So if I get into the what shutter speed and aperture is, then
Anji.
it'll just get a little more complicated.
अच्छा, मतलब so basically अगर मेरे पास फोन है, मैं सेटिंग पे गई, वहां पे ISO around 200 मैंने रखा, and then shutter speed
200 to
अगर
800, anywhere in between.
अच्छा, और shutter speed कितना रखना चाहिए?
Shutter speed can be any if it's are we talking about night photography?
No, we are talking about मैं बाहर
we're
निकली
talking
हूँ.
about sunlight.
We are talking about sunlight. मैं बाहर निकली हूँ और दोपहर के समय निकली हूँ, सन बहुत हार्श है, तो मैं अपनी फोन की सेटिंग क्या रखूं कि एक होती है ऑटो सेटिंग होती है, बट मुझे क्या करनी चाहिए?
The easiest way is to keep it on auto mode and just click on your face and the phone automatically sets the exposure. Okay, but if you want to go pro, then that gets a little more complicated. But to keep things simple, tap on your face and you can increase and decrease the exposure by sliding the that square focus button up and down.
हाँ जी. So do you think कि जो auto setting होती है in a phone is the best for outdoor photography during the daytime in natural harsh light?
Yes, during the daytime, I think most of the phones are great for outdoor daytime photography. It gets more challenging when you're shooting at night. Certain phones, like I have an iPhone and I have a OnePlus also. So the OnePlus,
which is better?
In my opinion, for night photography, I would use my OnePlus. I haven't explored my iPhone for night photography. I've got the iPhone 11, so I'm still yet to explore that. So, but I would use the OnePlus. It's great for low light photography.
I agree. iPhone is not that great for night
it's not.
photography.
Yeah. iPhone is great for daylight photography, by the way. You can't. I mean, no other phone brands can beat iPhone ka quality for daylight.
अच्छा, Ayush, someone had asked. I'm so sorry. There were so many questions, and I was thinking कि मैं कैसे आज फिक्स करूँ सम्मानित से आज की मेरे पास अगर DSLR कैमरा नहीं है, मेरे पास आईफोन भी नहीं है, व्हाट इज द बेस्ट नेक्स्ट फोन मैं खरीद सकती हूँ अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, अगर मुझे फोटोज अच्छी खींचनी है तो?
Shruti, I've got a disappointing answer.
ओह,
The answer is you can get any device,
अच्छा
even the
अच्छा
cheapest of the device. What
अच्छा
matters is you being able to capture images.
हाँ
The
जी
quality of the images, yes, they do matter. But
हाँ जी
if you don't have anything, I guess, I mean, phones are the most accessible devices that we have. But even a cheap phone can take great photos in today's day and age. So
ऑलराइट.
that's, I guess, I don't know. I don't know if that's a perfect answer, but that's my answer.
As long as you know how to pose, click, and smile in your pictures, I think so. It does the trick. And I just said
Yeah.
pose. Ayush, you're a photographer. You click so many people. Which is that one pose that always works in natural light photography? Which you tell
One
some,
pose.
yeah, because someone who is not very comfortable, honestly, I'm very uncomfortable getting clicked, so I have
Uh-huh.
to be scolded a lot, and then I get very sheepish starting mein. I go that is me being awkward. Which is that one pose जो आप बोलोगे कि ये natural light photography में best काम करता है? Any
So
angle,
Smriti,
any pose?
I do wedding photography. I'm a candid wedding photographer and an editorial photographer, also fashion editorial. So when I work with models,
हाँ
uh,
जी.
my approach is thoda different. So when I work with you, I won't take, I'll take post photos also, but then if it's a new and upcoming model who's uncomfortable, I will give them an activity to do. I'll ask them to pretend to have a conversation with someone, or pretend to actually read a book, have coffee, look out at the beautiful sunlight, the sunset, and then I'll get my shots. So
अच्छा.
uh, disappointing, but the truth is I don't take a lot of pose shots. But
I see.
when I do, every model's got their own, their epic, their poses. So hard to
Do you
say
think
actually.
side pose works like this? Do you think it works?
Why not? Yeah, sure
Yeah.
does. Yeah.
I'm forcing Ayush to say that. Ayush has no
I wish I
option.
could. I wish I had a camera right now. I could have just photographed you.
अच्छा आयुष, we spoke about you were mentioning that आप बहुत सारी wedding photography करते हो. आप videos बनाए हैं जानकी के साथ. You've traveled so much. You've traveled in South Korea, which I'll be asking something about. कश्मीर में आपने travel किया, आप बाहर click करते हो, editorial click करते हो. Is there some kind of makeup that you feel comes out best when you are shooting in natural light? Any tip that you would say that this kind of makeup works the best for natural light?
Short answer is nude makeup. A lot of
Nude makeup.
yeah, uh, the minimalist nude makeup. The minimalist, the basic whatever you can do, is
I see.
what works best with me.
And any outfit, जैसे हम बाहर जाते हैं आउटडोर फोटोग्राफी करते हैं, यूजुअली हम बाहर जाते हैं, सूरज होता है, ग्रीनरी होती है. मान लीजिए कि मैं एक ऐसी जगह ओपन, आई गॉन टू ओके बॉम्बे में हम लोग अगर आउटडोर फोटोग्राफी करते हैं तो या तो हम कोई रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हैं जहाँ पे लाइट वाइट आ रही हो, या फिर कोई गार्डन टाइप ऑफ स्पेस में जाते हैं. So for outdoor photography, is there some color of the outfit that works best? Some colors that you should wear and some colors you should totally avoid wearing in outdoor photography?
Again, I'm very flexible that way. You're looking. I think you're looking for absolute answers, which I can't give you.
No.
But,
I am just we here are trying to nichoro information as much
Okay.
from your experience, that
Got
because
it.
you have so much
So-
more experience that this works, this doesn't work. And
Yeah, so I don't think, like, in my opinion, again, I don't think there's any outfit that doesn't work. If I'm photographing you, you'd want to wear a neonish outfit. Now, neon colors, I think a lot of photographers will just tell the model or your subject, or whether it's your father or your mother, let's avoid that. That's just too in your face. So again, I would avoid like very very bright colors. But recently I photographed Karan Johar. He came wearing this amazingly orangish, pinkish, orangish kind of a sweaterish kind of a thing, and
Yeah,
he
the one you
carried it off
posted.
so well. Yeah, I posted the
Yeah.
picture, and he carried it off so well. That is something I personally don't. I wouldn't want to photograph him in, but it's not like I have a choice. I can't tell him go wear something else. But as long as you can carry it off flawlessly, then I will find a way around it. So
I see.
I'll probably find a complementing background or a
हाँ जी,
complementing backdrop
हाँ जी.
to go with that.
I see. So basically, anything that does not overpower you, is that
Uh, yeah, yes, something that doesn't overpower you and something that you're able to carry very well and flawlessly and very easily.
also, as we started of the session, you had mentioned it depends upon कि आप कैसी photo खींच रहे हो, किस purpose के लिए खींच रहे हो, candid है,
Yes.
fashion photography है, आप जंगल में खींच रहे हो तो you can go wild with wild makeup, or you want to go nice, easy breezy. So it depends upon the subject and the
and
spot.
the setting also, and also what your motive is. So I do my photography classes also. I always tell my students.
Please tell us about your photography classes, Ayush.
I will. So I always tell my students to go, have a motive behind your photography. So know what you're photographing and then plan around it.
Thank you.
Coming to my photography classes, well, I started teaching photography. I come from a teaching background, Smriti. My dad's a professor. He teaches, I don't know what I think he's a banking fraud. I think that's what he teaches.
Oh, crazy. Banking
I'm not,
fraud.
fraud,
Seriously?
fraud. Yeah,
It's
yeah,
a
fraud
very
planning.
interesting subject. I'm going to have a
Isn't
session
it?
with uncle because so many frauds hote hain baba online banking ke. Oh, crazy.
It's crazy, and
Yeah.
he's like 70 something, and he's busy. Yeah, Smriti, he's like working 24/7 because there
I'm
are so many
sure.
students coming and all of that. Anyway, that's a different topic altogether. So I come from a teaching background, and I've always wanted to teach. But a few years ago, I was like, I don't know. I don't think I have the experience and skill set yet to start teaching. Lockdown was the time when I decided, okay, you know what? I'm going to teach. Let's do this. Let's not postpone this further. So I started teaching, and I teach basics of photography, intermediate photography, and
Basics of photography आप सिखाते हैं और क्या?
intermediate photography. That is basically
अच्छा, level up.
Yeah, that is one level up before specialization.
अच्छा.
Specialization module. So I have four modules. One is the basic module, the intermediate module, जो बीच में है. That is one level up, and then you have specialization. Specialization में I basically specialize. If you'd like to learn candid wedding photography, then I'll specialize in that. So I'll give you an in-depth tutorial of how to start your own wedding business. When it comes to editorial photography, fashion photography, I'll do a masterclass with the students. So that's the specialization course, and then there's the editing course. That is the fourth module.
So these classes जो आप करते हो, Corona time है, that's when you started. So are these Zoom classes that we're talking about?
These are online Zoom classes for now. I want to convert them to offline classes also, because nothing, you and I know, Smriti, nothing beats one-on-one interaction.
Absolutely.
As much as you and I want to sit down over a cup of coffee and chit chat, we can't do that for the obvious reasons. So that's why we have these Zoom classes, and they're equally beneficial because I give them homework. We do a lot of practical sessions. So it's a win-win.
Thank you. All right. So आप मेरे साथ share कर देना about your Zoom classes. अगर आपके पास कोई creative होगा, I'll be posting after this session, so that whoever who wants to learn can reach out to you. And I'm very sure a lot of people will be there who want to learn. And the wedding business is a booming business, so wedding photography is something which can be great, satisfy आपका creative side भी करेगा and monetary gain भी होगा, है ना?
Absolutely. And just one more thing, people can use a coupon code. That's your name.
अच्छा.
People can use your name as a coupon code on my website, which I'll share with you.
Oh, lovely.
And they can get like a surprise discount.
Oh, lovely. We love discounts, Ayush. We live for discounts.
Don't we all love discounts? We love anything that's free and with discounts.
I know. जैसे हम we are born with this ना कि एक के साथ एक फ्री है, तो कुछ नई भी चीज चाहिए होती तो हम ले लेते हैं.
I know.
So ये हमारे blood में है.
Yeah.
All right. So Ayush, we're talking about natural light photography. आपने spoken about क्या हम outfit पहन सकते हैं, कैसा makeup होना चाहिए. सुबह early morning and sunset is the best time, but आप दिन में भी use कर सकते हैं, photography कर सकते हैं. You spoke about the phone की जो setting होनी चाहिए. I will again come back to it. तो there were 3 settings जो हमें करनी थी, वो quickly क्या थी?
Shutter, ISO, and aperture.
And
but aperture.
और क्या सेटिंग होनी चाहिए? That depends from where you are, or
yeah. So the difficult part here is that a lot of phones don't label them as aperture, shutter, and this thing. They'll just say 1/15, 1/50. So when you see 1/15 or anything 1 by something, that's your shutter speed. Okay.
Achha.
Now let's not go into the depths of what a shutter speed is. You just have to play around with the settings and just to see what the right exposure is. Ultimately, Swati, our goal is to capture clear quality photos. Okay. So ISO, shutter speed, and aperture. Okay, in a cell phone is see, the reason why we have these settings is because we are trying to mimic DSLR photography on our cell phones. Okay. So you'll have to play around with these settings and just see and tweak and just see what where you can get the clearest photo.
I see.
So aperture, the lowest is going to basically give you a lot of light. So if the aperture is say 1.4, then a lot of light will go inside the camera.
A lot
sensor.
of light will open.
Yeah. And if the aperture is greater, which is say 5 or 6 or 7 or 8, then lesser light will go in. Shutter, it's so difficult for me to explain all of this without explaining what shutter is. Shutter, see on a DSLR.
We wouldn't mind अगर आप बताना चाहो. हाँ जी.
See, shutter on a DSLR is basically it's a flap inside. So you have the sensor here. Let's say this is the sensor. This is the camera body. Okay. My hand is a shutter. What the shutter does is it flips up, lets the light in, and then goes back down and covers the sensor. So this happens at 1/60th of a second to 1,000th of a second. So if you're doing sports photography, I just go like that. So if you're doing sports photography, you need to have a high shutter speed. So if I'm capturing Smriti Kalra kicking a ball and I want to freeze that moment, I've got my DSLR right here. Okay, I've got my DSLR right here. The sensor is somewhere over here and the shutter is angled this way somewhere over here. Okay. So if I'm capturing you kicking a ball and I need to freeze that moment, that moment where you just touch the ball, I need to have a higher shutter speed. So 1,000th of a second. That also depends on, yes, that is burst mode.
Burst mode.
That's burst mode. Yeah. So all I have to do is in this, and even on an iPhone or a normal phone, you just press the shutter button and it just captures a series of images. So you're able to see everything from you starting to kick the ball to you already having kicked the ball. So that's what shutter is. So on a cell phone also, if you have a lot of light, it's sunlight, harsh light, increase the shutter speed to say 1/250th of a second, or if it can go up higher, then go up higher. So that's how you limit the amount of light going inside the camera sensor.
All right. So अगर आप
Did I make
outdoor
sense?
है,
Were you able to understand?
तो I am तो totally understanding. So अगर
What
आप
I don't know.
बाहर
I
हैं,
don't know if others are able to understand. Yeah.
I hope they can, and they should, because if you are Instagram, अगर आप फोन यूज करते हैं तो अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो आपकी पिटाई हो जानी है, तो आपकी पिटाई बिल्कुल नहीं करनी हमको. So अगर आप बाहर हैं, आप नेचुरल फोटोग्राफी कर रहे हैं, हार्श लाइट है तो अपनी शटर स्पीड बढ़ाइए, और जो भी आप पास मूवमेंट करते हैं for that shutter speed should be increased. जो हमारे फोन पे सेटिंग होती है burst, बहुत सारे मूवमेंट बेसिकली. सो आयुष, मैं इसका अगर उल्टा कर दूं, मुझे ब्लर इफेक्ट अगर चाहिए इन नेचुरल लाइट, तो मैं क्या सेटिंग करूं? ये इसका ऑपोजिट हो गया ना?
It's the opposite. So that is where you decrease the shutter speed.
That is a
So
decrease.
1 by 10 of a second. So it won't say per second in your
Thank you.
cell phone. If I let me try. and
Cheshna
see,
saying hi to you. She's saying hello, both lovely.
Hey, hi Cheshta. Nice to have
Thank
you. Cheshta, you need to listen to what I'm saying. You don't. I know you're not going to use it, but listen to what I'm saying. Okay.
Thank you.
So this is my Android camera. So
Thank
what
you.
I do is I swipe up and then I see the pro settings.
Oh, lovely. Now this is exactly what we need to see. Hanji.
Pro settings.
हाँ.
Actually, I should have done this earlier. So here
Hanji.
you'll see a lot of stuff, which is the white balance. This is
Yes. Ayush, there was a question about white balance, huh? Someone had asked.
We'll get to that. Okay.
Yeah.
And then the one over here, which I don't know if you can read it, it says 1 by 20. It keeps changing depending on the light. So what the camera, what my camera is doing is, see, when I move it, it'll just change.
Huh.
If I move it, it'll just change. So this is the shutter speed. The camera is determining what the shutter speed is depending on how much light there is. And then you have the white balance, and then you have the ISO. Now, this is the part where it gets interesting. Now I'm going to manually set the ISO to 100. Okay. So this is 100. Now I'm going to manually increase it to, I can't see what number this is. 1000? 1000. Just see how bright it gets. So what is happening here is, sorry, I need to set the shutter speed is in auto. So what it's doing is, I feel like a lot of you may not understand, but I'm going to simplify this.
No, we are.
I'm going to set the shutter speed to 1 by 30th of a second. So what happens is 1 by 30th is a lot of light going in. Okay. And ISO 1600 is a lot of digital noise. So you're not able to see anything. It's completely whitewashed.
Yeah.
Okay. So now what I'm going to do is, because there's sufficient light, I don't need to increase the ISO. I'm going to decrease the ISO.
Yeah.
I'm going to decrease it to 100. So here, because I have sufficient light, I don't need to increase the ISO. That will also reduce my grains, my digital noise, my grains.
Yeah.
If this was outside, then I would have to increase the shutter speed.
Increase. Hanji. Okay, someone had just mentioned there's a gentleman called Vikas who is very active right now. Better keep it manual. He said auto में होता है, but right now we are trying that अगर हम खुद करें तो क्या है? Sanchita had messaged ki, no Vikas, we are learning, so we are not going to keep it auto. Secondly, Sanchita had said ring light use करो. Sanchita, the topic is natural light. नेचुरल लाइट में मैं अवॉइड कर रही हूँ रिंग लाइट. जब आप घर पे बैठे हैं और जब आप रिंग लाइट यूज करते हैं तो आपकी आंखों में वो जो गोल गोल दिखता है, you know, I see so many pictures, oh my god, everybody is clicking and then there is a ring and there's a ring. So we are not using ring light, we're using natural light here, and that is what we are learning from Ayush Das, who's a professional photographer who is here with us. Ayush, आपने बात किया था, what is the time? कितना टाइम है?
It's 9:46.
Oh my god, इतनी जल्दी हो गया. Okay, I'm rushing.
You have a lot of questions. I'll try to answer them fast.
Yes, but what to do? Okay, quickly asking. Ayush, when we started off, you mentioned that आप reflectors use करते हो during the daytime. Reflector means reflector, मतलब reflect करेगा light. But ये बताइए कि exactly reflector क्या होता है? And secondly, for all those of us जो हमारे पास नहीं है reflector, तो उसका substitute क्या हो सकता है for natural light photography?
So, Smriti, for everything that I do a lot of jugaad work. So there is
हाँ
a
जी.
jugaad for everything.
हाँ जी.
So reflector is basically a round, square round piece of sheet.
अच्छा
It's
जी.
white in color. What it
अच्छा
does
जी.
basically is it just reflects light.
हाँ जी.
You have your sunlight coming from the east,
हाँ
and
जी.
you want it. Yes, you can use a white paper also. Yes,
See,
there you go.
you can see the change.
Exactly, absolutely.
मैं light white कर रही हूँ तो आ रहा है. हाँ
Yes,
जी.
yes. I don't have a white piece of paper here, but anyway. So what it does is it just reflects. So all the light that's coming from your top, your
जी.
tube lights, it's reflecting on from this white piece of paper onto your face.
So it bounces the light.
Yeah, it bounces the light.
All right, all right, all
You
right.
can call it bounce the light or reflect the light. You can divert the light. There are various terms you can use it. So ideally,
Alright.
what we're doing is we're diverting the
light.
the light. Yeah.
अच्छा. आयुष, again I'm coming back to my question कि दोपहर का समय है, मान लीजिए 12:30 1 बज रहे हैं, सन एकदम इधर होता है, टॉप इधर होता है. इस समय मुझे अच्छी फोटो अगर खींचनी है, बिकॉज आजकल हम सभी दोपहर को लेट उठते हैं और फिर हम बाहर निकलते हैं फोटो खींचने के लिए. सो मान लीजिए 1-2 बज रहा है, सब अपने घर पे हैं, खाना वाना खा के सो रहे हैं, and now is the time that we can doll up and dress up and wear these weird clothes that we wear to click outside, because you know when you're clicking outside everybody looks at you like this, so you get conscious. So dopair ka time is the best time if nobody is there except the dogs here and there who just check you out like that and they just go away.
Yeah.
So इस समय हम क्या ऐसा कुछ आप टिप दोगे कि लाइट क्योंकि इधर होती है, हार्श होती है, कहाँ फोटो ले, ऐसा कोई स्पॉट है या जो रिफ्लेक्टर होगा, कैसे देख के कैसे करें, मतलब हाउ डू वी डू दैट?
Very simple. There are so many things you can do. Find a shadow. Find
a shadow.
something. Yeah, like
अच्छा.
shadow as in be in the shadow region. Okay.
अच्छा जी.
उसमें क्या होता है कि you're basically trying to get reflected light. You're not getting direct light. You're getting indirect natural
Yes.
light. Okay.
Yes.
So find a nice shadowy region where you're not getting direct sunlight. You can also cover the top of your face. So if you're taking a selfie, just cover it with a book. If you've got a laptop case, don't use the laptop. Use a laptop case. This is dangerous. It might fall. Use a laptop case on top, so that you're cutting off the harshness of the sunlight, and you've got a great selfie there.
हाँ जी. अच्छा, all right. So ये कवर करना है, और अगर जहाँ से हमको लाइट चाहिए उस साइड हम रिफ्लेक्टर लगाएं, नहीं ऑपोजिट साइड लगाएं.
No, if you're taking a selfie, you don't need to work with reflectors and all of that. But if you have a photographer, so let's say you're photographing your mom and dad, okay? You want to take a nice family photo and it's sunny out there. What you do is let the sun be, let it fall on you, okay? Use a giant white styrofoam foam. Thermocol, and use that to divert the light. Basically, if the light is coming from there, reflect it onto their faces. So what this does, it cuts off the shadows. So this is called fill lighting. So use
makes
that.
It softer?
Yeah, so basically there are two uses. What we're doing is we're making the same light source have two uses. One is the key light, which is the top light which they are getting. You're also using it, diverting it and reflecting it onto their faces, so that it fills in the shadows which is created by the harsh light. You can also use a cloth on top of your
dupatta.
parents.
You spoke about mom, dad. मेरे दिमाग में आ रहा था मम्मा लोगों के दुपट्टे यूज कर सकते हैं.
Dupatta is, yes, it's a great
white dupatta will be fantabulous actually.
I don't know why I didn't come up with that. I've actually used dupattas and so many, just clothing stuff so many times, big jugaad work in photo shoots. Yeah.
But don't you think the color reflect होता होगा? Suppose if hypothetically I'm using a red dupatta, तो वो tinge नहीं आ जाएगा?
No, I'm thinking of a white dupatta. So
Acha,
if
you were
yeah.
specifically thinking of white. Huh.
So yeah, if it's a colored dupatta, then yes, of course, the red tinge would come. So you have to find a white,
Stick to white
a
and
white piece
cream.
of cloth.
Yeah, yeah. All right, all right, all right. And you just mentioned बहुत बार हम फोटो खींचते हैं तो आंखों के नीचे जो गड्ढा टाइप होता है, so to fill that up, we had a thermocol and we are covering it, है ना?
Thermocol or a giant white, anything, any giant white piece of sheet, cloth, bed sheet, white, pure
Hanji.
white bed sheet is amazing.
Hanji.
I've shot with Anandita so many times, and we've used the white sheet as backgrounds. We've used it to reflect light. Cloth is this thing. So what we're doing is the sunlight is creating a harsh shadow already, right? You have shadows over here. You have shadows below your eyes. So what the reflector does, it basically just fills in the shadows with more light. So you're negating the harsh shadows.
Yes. Anandita की आप बहुत सारी जो pictures click करते हो. Anandita was with us in Dil Samhal Ja Zara in my last show on Star Plus. So and I've seen her so many pictures clicked by you. उसकी जितनी भी pictures होती है, they are very soft, they are very fresh, and they have lot of एक washed out effect होता है. Is that your wife?
Yeah.
Hi.
That's Shamlina over here.
Good evening to you.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm going off. Please continue.
All right.
You
all
can
right.
continue disturbing me.
No. She's more than welcome to join. We would love to see another lovely face. So Ayush, जो आप अनंदिता की pictures आपने जितनी भी खींची हैं, I have seen कि आप बहुत सारा ऐसे एक whitish dewy effect होता है in all her pictures. एक तो she's so pretty and so delicate. मतलब उसको देख के ऐसा लगता है कि the camera loves Anandita. Like I think so camera adores her.
So speaking of Anandita, I'm sorry to interrupt you. I just have a photo of me using a reflector with Anandita.
Okay, that's her. And that's a reflector. All right.
So here we're using, we actually finished using the daylight, and some of the outfits spilled over onto after sunset. So we still wanted to take pictures. So how do we do it? We just use artificial light. What I'm doing here is we've got the ring light over here. I'm just diverting the
light of the reflector, and it's
the direction of the light.
On a face.
Yeah, bouncing it onto her face. So it's already serving as the main light, which is the key light, and it's also serving as the fill light. The fill light is coming from the reflector.
Ayush, I have a question here. I just saw the angle of the reflector. बहुत बार होता है जब light यहाँ से आती है ना तो एक बहुत ही scary face effect आता है. मतलब I have seen while shooting, if I'm shooting and जब lighting हो रही होती है set पे and you come like this and your face looks scary. So is there any angle कि जो reflector है मतलब नीचे हो but एक certain angle पे हो that you know what I'm talking about जो light एक ऐसे नीचे से आती है so you look scary. So is there any angle to it?
So lighting
is all about angles.
No, lighting it's amazing. It's amazing to work with light. You can create different moods with light. So I can make you look like a scary person just by the direction of the light. So if I give the main light that you have over there, if I give it from the bottom, I'll make you look scary.
Yes.
It's as simple as that. If I give it a slightly topish angle, then I can make you look pretty. If I give you light from the left hand side or 45 degrees to my right, then that's that's 45-degree lighting. So there are different setups. To answer your question, in this case, what I've done is I've basically held. I'm looking at the angle of the light. So if the light is coming from the top, then it'll create shadows at a particular direction. So to kill that, I have to have it at the opposite angle.
Achha.
Okay. So again, I'm going to refer to this picture only.
Hanji.
So this is the angle of the light, and this is the reflector. So you have to adjust the reflector and see how best. There's no particular angle. You can't tell कि ठीक है ये angle सबसे अच्छा होगा to kill the shadows. So what you do is you just keep moving a little just to see the right sweet spot.
Yeah.
Where you're able to remove the shadows, and that is the angle that is
There are
preferred.
so many questions. कैसे angle होना चाहिए, क्या light होना चाहिए. For that, I am very sure that we have to attend your Zoom classes. जो आप workshop लेते हो. Ayush, please tell me the details. Is it still on right now?
Yes, it's on. There's one coming up on the 25th, so I would request.
I think so. I will
whoever's-
join it. Yeah. I think so.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
going to join it.
Please
Just
do,
आप मुझे
please
डंडा
do.
लगा देना because मैं ना ऐसे lazy हो जाती हूँ. So मुझे ऐसे थोड़ा
I'm a little
करना
strict,
पड़ता
huh? You have to, yeah.
है. Yeah. So I think so.
And I'll
I
be
will
giving
give you
everyone
a-
homework, so I'll be giving you homework, so you'll have to do your homework also.
You know, I have this thinking best student thing. So if you, if there are other students, then I'll be like, I will be the best. So I make sure.
If you're a competitive person, then I mean, you're most welcome.
Acha, there are so many questions, but I just want to ask Kashish ने question पूछा था that after 12th, if she wants to pursue photography, आप क्या suggest करोगे? How does she go about it?
Okay, so you can go to a photography school, spend loads of cash, but I would say avoid doing that. Uh, um, the best is to start on your own or to work with a photographer, work with a practicing photographer, someone who's out there, you know, working every day. Work with a photographer. You'll learn more than you would at an institute. But institutes also are you know, they have their benefits. Because you know you're with a group, they have their
Thank you.
practical setups and everything, so it's
Thank
great.
you.
But
Yes.
I would recommend working with a professional photographer.
Yeah, because in the end, it's the experience. It's like आप कितना skill को अपने निहारते हो, वो better and better होता जाता है.
Yeah, because one thing photography institutes don't teach you is outside world experience. You know, the
Yes.
business of photography.
Yes.
Photography is not just taking pictures. You know, you have to be able to. You need to earn money out of it also. So
Anji.
how do you price your photography? How do you do all of that? How do you communicate with models? How do you communicate with all the team members, hairstylists, makeup? All that matters. I think the
Anji.
best place to learn is with a professional photographer. Intern with them, work for free. If they pay you, then great. Work with them, intern with them for a couple of months. You'll learn a lot more than you can, you know, in an institute.
All right. Ayush, there are a lot of questions, but I'll quickly ask you one more. That since we're talking about the natural light photography, using our phone to have Instagrammable pictures. So is there any app? ऐसा कोई ऐप है because अभी तो world of apps है, everybody is on apps. ऐसा कोई ऐप है? Oh my god, मेरा बेचारा फूल जो
That looks
natural
really
light-
pretty, by the way.
Thank you. Shall I tell you a secret?
Please.
It's a नकली फूल जो मैंने वाज में लगा रखा था. I just todified it and I put it here. And I pinned it up.
Crazy. It looks amazingly beautiful, though.
Thank you. So, is there any app that really works very well with natural light photography?
So there's this app called Snow.
Acha ji. Snow.
Yeah, Snow. A lot of people just use the Instagram camera.
Anji.
A lot of people, if you're an iPhone user, then you just use the native camera. When I was in South Korea,
Anji.
a lot of people,
Oh.
South Koreans are Samsung users. Okay.
Yeah.
Surprisingly, majority of the people that I met over there, I came across, they use this app called Snow.
No.
Snow has amazing filters and everything, but then I don't know what it is about Snow, but just captures a very nice diffused kind of a. It's a nice app. It's not you can't change the camera. The camera is
Okay.
going to remain the same. It's just
Ah.
that I think it's the different kind of filters, the quality of the filters that they have, which I
Is the
think they
name
like.
Snow because I just thought कि Snow maybe natural light में अच्छी photo आती होगी. Sunlight, नीचे snow, white, reflect. Is that the reason my brain is
Yes,
just
yes.
working?
I was
Yeah?
in Ladakh and I took so many pictures on my DSLR. I just kept it on a tripod, and I had beautiful light everywhere because there was snow.
Snow
And
से
the snow
reflect
was
होता
just-
है ना, light गिरती
Yes.
है तो खट खट खट.
Yeah, yeah. So the
तभी
snow
मेरा
was
से आपका
the
नाम
light
है.
was just reflecting off everywhere. So I'm getting
Yeah.
key light, main light from every direction.
Everywhere. I think so. That is why the name Snow. है ना?
I guess so, maybe. Yeah. That's smart thinking.
Smart thinking. Yes. Ayush, there's so many questions. Oh my god. All right. Just someone asked about the charges for your workshops. मैं एक पोस्ट डाल दूंगी. आप प्लीज आयुष दास से कनेक्ट कीजिएगा उनके इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल पे. आफ्टर दिस सेशन ही इज द बेस्ट पर्सन टू लेट यू नो एवरीथिंग एंड एनीथिंग. नेचुरल लाइट फोटोग्राफी इंडोर्स भी होती है, जो हम देखते हैं ना विंडो के साइड में लाइट गिर रही है. बट आई थिंक सो वी हैव टू सेव इट फॉर अनदर सेशन because I think so we are nearing an hour, and I'm sure you're sipping the water that you were sipping, but I think so now
That's
you will now
beetroot
ask
juice.
your wife for a cup of coffee. Sorry, it's almost
Yeah,
finished.
that's beetroot juice.
Yeah. There's so many. Just one more question, Ayush. You just spoke that starting of the session, you told us something that we didn't know. कि जब बारिश होने वाली होती है, is the best time actually forecast to click pictures outside. Does that also mean कि जो fog होता है, because आपने बोला जब बादल होते हैं तो वो diffuse कर देता है. तो जब fog होता है, तो जब misty foggy morning है, दिल्ली की सर्दियां जो होती है fog और हमको आउटडोर फोटोग्राफी करनी है, तो लास्ट जुगाड़ कोई है? इज इट अ गुड टाइम टू क्लिक पिक्चर्स एंड कुछ ऐसा यू कैन डू जुगाड़?
Fog, no. What it does is, I mean, you can. So if you in fog may, if you can use an artificial light, then that is good. But I would say avoid shooting in fog.
Avoid shooting
If it's foggy outside, I don't think anyone anyway goes out and to take
Hanji.
pictures. But
Hanji.
if it's a hill station and if it's really foggy,
हाँ जी.
the chances are that you're not gonna take out your camera for a selfie.
All right.
But coming to overcast day, yes, when it's
Hanji.
just about to rain, it's cloudy.
Hanji.
That is the best time to take. That is not the best time. That is one of the best times to take photos.
To take. Just one last question कि
Sure.
कृतिका ने बोला है कि एंट्री लेवल DSLR कौन सा कैमरा है, अगर आप कोई सजेस्ट कर सको?
I can't say right now. There are so many brands out there. I would say I think it's a Nikon 650 if I'm not mistaken. Nikon. There's a Nikon. There's Canon. There's Sony. There's mirrorless. It's a very difficult question. I would request her to do I do a free session. The first free Zoom introductory session is a free session, so they can come.
Right.
They can ask all these questions. So I would request them to come so that we can talk about what their requirements are, and then accordingly I can give them a recommendation as to what camera they can get.
All right. Ayush, thank you so very much. You answered and cleared so many doubts about natural light photography, but there are so many more questions. But I think so we will keep it for another session because your glass of water is over. It's dinner time. I'm sure your wife is looking at you like this. Ab bas karo.
She's a big fan of yours, yeah. We should do a video call later.
Absolutely. I'm all ready, looking all pretty. So I just don't mind doing a video call. She can video call anytime. Thank you so very much, Ayush. And about your workshops and all, आप please मेरे साथ share कर लो. I will share with everyone. जिसको भी connect करना है आपसे connect कर सके.
Thank you so much, Smriti. Thanks for having me. And people can use that discount code. Your name is the discount code.
Yeah.
I will give that to you so that you can put it up as your story. Thank you so much for having me. It was a pleasure talking about natural light photography. There's just so much more. You're right. I know. I mean, it's such a vast topic.
Yes.
But I tried to be as simple as possible. But it was. I enjoyed it, and I was looking forward to it ever since we last spoke. You told me that we have to do this, and I was like, yes, this is really exciting. So
Yes.
I've had a ball.
Yeah, natural light. Yeah. All right. Thank you. Have a wonderful evening.
Thank you so much, Smriti. Thank you, and see you everyone that was here. All the best. See you. Bye.
Bye. So that was Ayush Das जो हमारे साथ थे. He's a professional photographer. बहुत सारे photos click करते हैं. मैंने जैसे mention किया था अनंदिता की picture देखी थी, and then नकुल की and जानकी की, and that's how I came to know about him, and then we connected. He has his workshops going on. आप घर पे बैठे हैं, सीखना चाहते हैं, जरूर सीखिए. इनकी पहली class free है. So you can know more about it. So many more questions. Natural light photography is a vast topic. Natural light photography primarily जो हमने आज बात किया है, it is when you're outside. जब आप घर पे होते हैं, लाइक यूजुअली मैं जो भी अपनी फोटोज खींचती हूँ बाहर होती है या घर पे नेचुरल लाइट में ही खींचती हूँ, मैं रिंग लाइट का इस्तेमाल करती ही नहीं हूँ. सो वी डेफिनेटली शुड बी हैविंग अनदर सेशन. सो मेनी पीपल आस्क्ड अबाउट मेकअप कैसा होना चाहिए, न्यूड होना चाहिए, आउटफिट्स. आप वो अगर आप कैसे आउटफिट यूज करने चाहिए आपको, नेचुरल लाइट बाहर अगर आप आउटडोर शूट कर रहे हैं, आपका बेसिकली सब्जेक्ट जो होता है वो दिमाग में रखिए कि आप किस लिए शूट कर रहे हैं. उसको मद्देनजर रखते हुए, ओ माय गॉड दैट्स सॉलिड हिंदी, उसके हिसाब से आप कपड़े पहनिए. यूजुअली ब्राइट कलर्स लुक वेरी नाइस. अगर ग्रीन बैकग्राउंड है या अगर कोई डल बैकग्राउंड है तो आप ब्राइट पहने तो सुंदर लगता है. कोशिश कीजिए जब आप बाहर शूट कर रहे हैं तो पीछे आपका जो बैकग्राउंड है ज्यादा बिजी ना हो. बिजी मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें ना हो, नहीं तो आप भी उसमें ऐसे खो जाएंगे कहीं, और आपको नहीं खोना है क्योंकि सब्जेक्ट आप हो. एंड वी केम टू नो अबाउट फोन की सेटिंग क्या होनी चाहिए, एंड देयर सो मच मोर. बेसिकली फोटोग्राफी क्या है, आप एक कला है, एक स्किल है. आप जितनी अपनी कला को निहारना चाहेंगे, एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे, वो बेटर एंड बेटर एंड बेटर होती ही चली जाएगी. सो अपना फोन बाहर निकालो, बाहर जाओ, फोटोज लेने की कोशिश करो, एंड जो आपका बेस्ट धीरे 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 करके आपको समझ में आने लग जाएगा कि आपको कौन सा एंगल सूट करता है. आइडियली कभी भी ऐसी फोटो अवॉइड कीजिए, थोड़ा एक एंगल रखेंगे तो बेटर ही लगती हैं फोटोग्राफ्स. सो ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. आई होप यू एंजॉयड दिस सेशन ऑन नेचुरल लाइट फोटोग्राफी. एंड एज फोटोग्राफर्स say that there is no good light, there is no bad light. It is just the right suitable light that you need for your photography. And light नहीं होगी तो photography हो ही नहीं सकती. I hope you enjoyed the session. Next session होगा Sunday को. क्या होगा topic आप suggest कीजिए, and I'll be back next Sunday. Thank you so very much. Have a wonderful evening.